In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to withdraw money from Astropay to a bank account. Start by going to astropay.com. In the top right, click on Help. Scroll down to locate the Transfer section and click on it. Select Send. From here, find the guide titled How Can I Send Money from Astropay to My Bank Account? This will give you a detailed rundown of the steps. So these are the steps. Choose the Transfers option. Under Send Money, select either to a bank or to a debit card. Now you want a bank account, so click on that. And then pick the wallet from which you want to withdraw. Enter the amount you'd like to withdraw and choose the available withdrawal method. It says here that you should carefully enter all required bank account details. Note that once submitted, the request cannot be cancelled. Next, review the final amount you'll receive after any fees and confirm the processing time. Finally, click Confirm to complete the process. So here are additional information and make sure to read it.